In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize password page on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the storefront password that controls access to your shop while it's under construction or running a private launch. This is the password your visitors type to get in, totally separate from your admin login. So it's a safe way to share early access with select people without exposing your backend. Start inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand sidebar, look for your sales channels and click on Online Store. This opens the area where you manage your theme and key storefront settings. It's the quickest path to everything customers see before your site goes live, including the password page. Next, use the Edit Password option. Depending on your layout, you might see it as a shortcut from your theme area, and it takes you right to the password protection settings in Preferences. That page is where Shopify keeps the controls for turning the password gate on or off, and, most importantly for us, where you set the actual code your visitors will enter. In the password field, type the new password you want to use. Choose something strong but easy to communicate to your testers or early customers. Avoid personal details or anything you already use for other logins. Think of it as a temporary door code. It should be unique, case-sensitive, and simple enough to share with your team or partners. A mix of letters and numbers works well. Keep special characters to ones that won't be misread. Remember, this does not change your Shopify admin password, only what visitors see on the storefront gate. When you're happy with your choice, click Save. The Save button is your confirmation that the change is written to your store, and once it's saved, the new password takes effect immediately. If your storefront is currently behind the password page, anyone trying to visit will now need the new code you just set. Share it only through secure channels and update any documents or messages where you previously listed the old one to avoid confusion. That's all there is to it. You went to Online Store, used Edit Password to open the password protection settings, typed your new storefront password, and clicked Save. As a final tip, many themes let you visually brand the password page, logo, background, or a short message inside the theme editor. When you're ready, you can refine that look to match your launch vibe, but the access code you set here is the foundation. Thanks for watching, and happy building.